This is what I'm gonna do today. Okay, so today I am going to mix water, just plain old tap water, with veggie straws. Garden veggie straws. Sea salt flavor. Alright, let's go. I already got the water ready. Now I just got to put the veggie straws in. Yum. Mmm. Delicious. This is going to be an interesting drink. I'm sure bet this is going to taste awful. I bet it will. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this just looks delicious! Oh, this looks great. This looks like what I want to be drinking every day of my life. Look at that. It looks so delicious. I bet I'm going to throw up. Okay. Yeah. 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 Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I like water. I like veggie straws. But I do not like water veggie straws. Veggie straws are better. Don't do it. Don't waste a bag of delicious veggie straws on this. Don't do it. Just don't. Anyway, if you like this video, leave a like down below. Hello, like button. What's up? Leave a like down there. If you liked it, and maybe there's something you want to talk about. If you just want to say, oh, this video was so cool, yay. Leave a comment. I'll reply. Trust me. And if you want to see more of this, subscribe. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yes. Goodbye. What is this? It's like sauce. It's like applesauce, but it's not.